present to you our lesson plan for the junior and senior technical drawing Minecraft education edition. Use Minecraft education edition to identify orthographic views in technical drawing. So yan po yung objectives. Okay. Yan din na rin po yung student activity and assessment. So students learn how to use camera to find the views, front view, side view, top view, or the structure block. The student will be able to determine the three essential views of orthographic drawing. The student learn how to create album of views using book and quill. Activity, have the student load the specified Minecraft world file. Use the world as a visual representation to help the student understand the concept of orthographic projection in Technical Drawing 8. Then, assessment, by taking pictures and creating album of the blocks, student demonstrate understanding orthographic view in the 3D space. Okay, then papasok na po tayo sa aming mini world. Okay, ito po yung aming world sa Technical Drawing 8, Junior and Senior High School. So first, meron sila may encounter na NPC, the Technical Drawing teacher. So right click. Greetings, I'm Mr. Ryan Joseph Calnier. I will be your Technical Drawing teacher. Your first task is to look for the supply officer. He has something to give you or to give you for you to finish the lesson. So, ang first task natin is hanapin si supply officer. So, pupunta tayo sa admin. Or magro-roam around tayo sa loob ng sa world. Okay. Address ko ng fisheries para hanapin si supply officer. Okay. So, makakausap natin si Administrative A. Pwede natin ikausapin. Come in. Explore our administration building. We are looking for our supply officer. He is at the other building. Okay, so other building din daw siya. So, huwag na tayo papasok din. Although, pwede ka pumasok doon sa door. Okay, mapapasok mo yung room ni Mambulas. Okay, mapapasok ka sa room ng principal namin. Hello, looking for a supply officer. You can find him at the senior high school building. Okay, lalabas tayo. Dito tayo sa labas ng building. Wala siya dito. Okay, so para mabilis, lipat tayo. Kaya pansinin nyo, ito yung ground namin sa Manila School of Fisheries. Ito yung senior high school building. Hindi pa tapos yung mga ibang building. May baba tayo. Then, you have it. Okay, nandiyan si Sir. Supply officer. Right click again the NPC. Okay, nice to meet you. Use the camera to take picture of the blocks of the field. Take picture of front view, side view, top view of each block and place it on your album. Don't forget to label the pictures correctly. Get the album to the head teacher assigned on the field. Have fun. So, get the camera muna natin. So now, papansin nyo, we have the camera. Then, pupunta tayo sa field kasi dun yung mga blocks. Okay. So the task is to get the front view, side view, at saka top view of each block. So using the camera, right click. Okay, we got the front view of the first block. Get the side view of the first block. And tayo, we get the top view of the first block. There you have it. Then, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Napupo na tayo ng ulan. Okay. Ganun din ang gagawin natin sa second block. Ganun ang gagawin din natin sa third block. Then, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa fourth block. Mabilisin na lang ito ma'am para makita nyo ng buo. Then, pagkatapos, here is the head teacher. Okay, sabi dito natin kukunin yung album natin na gagawin. So, hello there. If you are done with the pictures, create an album using the book. So, save and send it to Slater here. So, get the book. Okay, we have the infill. So, ang gagawin ng mga bata is gagawa ng album. So, based on their captured image, okay, dun tayo kukuha ng ilalagay natin sa album. So, this is the front view. Type natin front view. Second one, add tayo ng picture. Okay, this is the side view. Type natin dito side view. Then, last. Bali, 4 na groups ang gagawin natin. Pero, papakita ko lang dito is isa lang para makasave tayo ng data or ng oras. So, tap. Then, sign. Okay. Yan. Then, sign. Then, escape. Save and exit. Yun na po. Yun na yung aming mini world for the junior and senior team of Candelaria.